In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix white space on your WordPress website. Unwanted white space can disrupt the design of your website and affect user experience, so let's tackle this issue quickly and efficiently. First things first, you need to head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button. This is the starting point for accessing your site's backend where all the magic happens. After clicking login, choose the option to continue with Google. This is a convenient step if you have your Google account linked for easier and quicker access. Next, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts if you have more than one. Simply select the Google account associated with your WordPress site. Upon logging in, you'll see a variety of options, but direct your attention to the right panel. Here, under Quick Links, click on Edit Site. This will take you into the site editor where you can start making the necessary changes to fix the white space issue. Now, it's important to click on your website. This action confirms which site you're editing, especially useful if you manage multiple WordPress sites. With your site ready for editing, find the specific block causing the white space issue and click on it. It's crucial to select the correct block because this is where you'll be making adjustments. Once your block is selected, look towards the top right corner. Here you'll find the settings icon. Click on this icon to open up more options. Within the settings, navigate to the block tab. This tab allows you to access specific settings related to the block you've selected. It gives you the tools needed to modify elements within your site's design, including margins and padding that may be causing the extra space. Now look for the Advanced section. Clicking on Advanced will open up a space for you to enter custom code that can override default styles, providing a more tailored solution to the issue you're facing. Inside this section, there will be a field labeled Additional CSS. You'll want to paste your custom CSS code here that addresses the white space issue. Remember, adding CSS here helps apply styles that aren't available in the standard block settings. Finally, after you've pasted your code, review everything to ensure accuracy. When you're satisfied, don't forget to click Save. This final step ensures your changes are applied and the white space issue is resolved. So there you have it, a quick and effective way to handle unwanted white space on your WordPress website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create a cleaner, more professional website.